welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well today and living life goldenly. So I am back with another video. I am going to be using my CRICUT Explorer Ear 2 to make some custom baby onesies. As I mentioned in my previous video, I have a friend that is expecting a baby boy in November, and then I have a coworker that is also expecting a baby boy in November. So I'm going to be personalizing some onesies. So I ordered some onesies offline, and I picked up these Gerber baby, and these are organic, okay? And these are 3 to 6 months, these little baby onesies. So let me see, I think they came so it came 4 to a pack. Oh, actually no, 5 to a pack. And then I ordered, so I got them in 2 different sizes. And then I ordered some long sleeve onesies as well, in 6 to 9 months. So with the pattern ones, I'm just going to do like a monogram of the baby's initials. So we have a Christopher, we have a baby Christopher and a baby James. So I'm just going to be adding a monogram to that. I might add a design, but let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is just a better look of the onesies. So this has 5 to a pack. So I'm just going to divide it out. Have my heat press going on, have that warmed up, and I'm going to go ahead and get onto CRICUT Design Space. Alright guys, so I went ahead and uploaded already a saved design that I had used. So just duplicating the sign. So you want to measure your item, and since it's a small baby onesie, I am just doing the item like 4 by 4, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on my light grip pad, add that on there, and I'm going to get this printed. So I'm going to use this green vinyl. And by the way guys, I'm burning my Live Life Goldenly scent. It is a sugared lemongrass, and it just smells so delicious. Alright guys, so with the iron on, I am glasses. So what I'm going to go ahead and do next is I found these care instructions online. So I'm going to print these out and put them in the gift boxes, and I'm going to move on to doing the personalized mommy and daddy stemless wine glasses. So I'm going to get started on that, but stay tuned to the next video. Thanks for tuning in and watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave me some questions down below. If you have any questions that you want answered, let me know down below in the box, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Live life goldenly. Bye.